Welcome to our tutorial about the Slice tool. Let's begin by selecting this view. Now let's use the Line tool. We're going to use it to create a profile for our slice. Something like this. Right-click, Done. Let's click Return to exit the sketch and select the Slice tool. Let's select the view I want to slice. And then we select the sketch I just created. Click OK. And as you see, we just created a slice from the sketch. OK, let's right-click and delete. And then let's delete the sketch as well. I want to go back to my part. We'll create a new sketch. Right-click, New Sketch. We'll take a top view. And let's create two circles here. Something like this. Another one, something like that. Exit the sketch, click Return. And activate the Extrude tool. OK. Select Window, back to our drawing. Let's take the top view and select the sketch. We'll create a profile with the Line tool for our slice once again. Right-click, Done. Let's exit this sketch and activate the Slice tool again. We select the view to slice, and then our sketch, and click OK. And here is our slice. In our second example with this cylindrical segment, you can see better how the Slice tool works. And this concludes our tutorial about the Slice tool.